bersyukur nak keslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka sorkar jela kala pelak pajba ya ka almanak na ka benta ban penlong ya kita masa ayom Synrai komisi benta ban kenteo ya ka kam jengok ka ya ka jela ha ka ban Sdang da ka Jingwan unong pentem sur Jingwan lani DJ ubana Norway u Alan Walker syakani ka nong ba ka arpu pratarik unailor anajar arpu saw nalor ka Tamasa cherry blossom ha ka bakari Japan ru kan wan banyadan benta lang haba keren sekilat patai kubur hadin bala pelat pajba ya ka almanak halor kita masa Synrai ki bansa penlong ha ka jela Myntri ka tanat jengok kai ka jela ba pol lingdo ulong ba ki don bun teli kita masa ki berada ban penkre ban penlong ha ka jela baru loong baka Tamasa cherry blossom menta usnan ka dairu ka bala penbej banyak dan bentalang ke Japan ban peni ya ka jing reus spa jongka ha kaliang ka lariti ha ka ni ka Tamasa ka jing Sdang kita masa ka kintup ya ka Jingwan jong Alan Walker ha ka arpu pratrik unailor ha ka baan penlong ha shlong lariti performing center mau ka siang boot sa ka Meghalaya kayak fest ha tham Ribhoi district ngaduk ka Shipau tarik haduk ka khat tarik urisau arajar arpu saw ka Shlong Literary Festival hanan polok naduk khat tarik haduk khat saw tarik unaiving arajar arpu saw ka Cherry Blossom hamadan Kurkalang Ribhoi district naduk ka khat san tarik haduk khat nre tarik unaiving arajar arpu saw nalor ka Megong Festival ha Jengjal West Garo Hills naduk ka arpu khandai haduk ka lai potrik unaiving arajar arpu saw kiwei pat kita masa ki walaupun krek kilong ke Hills Festival halum air pengat umbir Ribhoi district haka hendreu tarik bat nyo tarik unok pra arajar arpusaw buat sa Jingwan jong Norway Brian Adams ha Shlong haka Shipau tarik unok pra bat ka Winter Tales hanan polok naduk ka khat tarik haduk khat saw tarik unok pra arajar arpusaw ubak pol uloong bakini kita masa kira kibaan penlong kum shibenta ban penpau shu ye jela ha kaliang ka kam jengok kai perthei bat ban pen iru shi ka perthei ke jing itenat kibadan haka ka ban kring shu i kinong jengok kai ban wan shakani ka jela
launched the official calendar of Cherry Blossom 2024 highlighting the various activities and events that will take place during this year's festival. The highlight this year is that we are also collaborating with the government of Japan, and there will be separate space allocated for the government of Japan to showcase their various activities in the various sectors where the country has been successful. Apart from Cherry Blossom, the department is finalizing a list of events and festivals. We will take some time because these events will be, some will be at the district level, some will be at the state level, and some will be at the village level, meaning respective villages where such proposals have been made. So we will be finalizing this calendar and then I will come back to you with the details once that is the same venue, Ribhoi district at the DSA ground.
Habakli syapang kajing bay Pisa ka sorkar ban penlong ye gini kita masa ubak pol uloong bahaduk menta empat la ban Batai namar andang ai ye jing kenjing dia kibadan kam halor gajing syak kentho ba gajing bay Pisa ka sorkar ban penlong ye kita masa kalong tang gajing pensarwaka ye ke Pisa ubak pol uloong ba ki bakin tho kin kentho ba hi Synrai kadon gajing mentoy ni gini kita masa namar ba ki breu ki wan syakani ka jela bat ki tip khamha shushu ye gajing don ki jaka jengok kai bat kring ye ki ban pendut por khnang ban lek pet kai.
See, criticism is always there in whether the government performs or does not perform. But fact of the matter is you will realize from the sheer scale of today's conclave. The hundreds who turned up at today's conclave is a testimony that tourism is their bread and butter, is their source of livelihood. And Meghalaya, being the music capital of India can only offer the best to the rest of the world through these festivals. And it is not one way, it is not just us inviting people over to Meghalaya. Our artists, our musicians are also traveling the world showcasing what Meghalaya has. We yet to finalize the allocation, but we will be investing in a manner that would also see joint support from the group which will be headlining the various events, and also there will be corporate sponsors. No, this was a suggestion made by the ambassador of Japan to India when he had visited us last year. He was impressed by the similarity of the cherry blossoms that are grown here with those of Japan, and he'd like, therefore, Japan to be a part of this experience. It amounts to a kind of an exchange between Meghalaya and Japan. The biggest room in the world is the room for self-improvement. We are happy with whatever has been achieved, but then we are not totally satisfied, because we know that the potential of Meghalaya in different sectors is so huge, and what we have achieved so far is comparatively much less, and therefore we would like to upscale our various sectors to reach to the maximum of our potential. It happened was unfortunate, but also one major step that we took was to have the kind of conclave that we have today, to get the various stakeholders to ventilate and express themselves, not on just law and order, but on the various shortcomings of the tourism sector and how the government can pitch in order to handhold them and enable them to develop this sector to its maximum potential.